Superfans, the people asked if they are going to Paris, and Team Liquid Philippines answered with a we. Team Liquid Philippines is officially going to Paris!
Denise, the crowd is going wild. The first team
To go to Paris, or Paris rather, congratulations, Team Liquid Philippines. Alright, Teddy, ikaw na ang uunahin ko. Teddy, okay ka lang ba?
Okay na po.
Kamusta ka?
Na-hype sobro.
I don't think it has sunk in for Teddy, but how sweet is this win for you? Naunang panalo kontra Onyx rather, at makakapasok ka agad to the MSC.
Ayun, sobrang saya po. Napipil ko pa rin unexpected pero sobrang saya po talaga. Ayun, bonjour.
Bonjour! And bonjour also, Daddy JP. JP, you know, napapansin ng lahat na sobrang baba ng heart rate mo kahit na may clash. Average heart rate mo yata around 70 lang. At kahit 4-3 yung nakakaharap mo, sobrang lalim, you stay composed. Gaano kahalaga yung composure sa mga ganitong kaimportanteng laban?
Ano lang po, nakapokus na po talaga ako sa in-game namin kasi bawal mag-panic eh.
No panicking on the Liquid side, Thea.
And you know, no panicking, even with a slow start.